Echo Barrier is a portable acoustic barrier that offers excellent noise reduction and absorption, achieving up to a 43 decibel reduction and 100% noise absorption across some frequency ranges. Echo Barrier is lightweight, water, fire, UV, and temperature resistant, superior in quality, durability, and performance. A highly effective tool for noise abatement in even the harshest work environments. Leading portable noise control. Most Echo Barriers can be rolled and secured for easy transportation and storage. Simply lay the barrier face up, take the bottom edge, and begin rolling. Clip shut with the integrated strap and clip once fully rolled. Then, adjust the strap's tightness as necessary. Always address safety warnings on barriers and ensure the structure upon which the barriers are mounted can handle the extra loading. Refer to the installation guide for more information, which can be found along with other relevant Echo Barrier documentation by scanning the QR code found on the face of every barrier.